Hello, everyone, and welcome to Jackson's Math Notebook. This is our 7th video as it relates to the art of rounding, and today we're going to continue to round numbers to the nearest hundredth. And with that in mind, here are our examples that we're going to work with today. We're going to work with 1 and 112 thousandths, 1 and 118 thousandths, 3 and 216 thousandths, 8 and 346 thousandths, and 8 and 343 thousandths, and we're going to round these numbers to the nearest hundredth. And with that in mind, we're going to take a look at the first number, but we're going to concentrate on the part that is to the right of the decimal point, in which we're going to look at 112 thousandths. And we want to see if this part of the number is closer to 11 hundredths or is it closer to 12 hundredths. And as we see, 112 thousandths is closer to 11 hundredths, and so this number will round to 1 and 11 hundredths. Again, we are rounding to the nearest hundredths. And as you can see, 112 is smaller than 115, and so we know that it's going to be in this direction, which will lead us back to rounding it to 1 and 11 hundredths. Now let's take a look at the next number, 1 and 118 thousandths. And as you can see right here, 118 is larger than 115. So 1 and 118 thousandths is closer to 1 and 12 hundredths. Okay, so we could say 1 and 120 thousandths, but since we have a 0 here, we'll just simply say 1 and 12 hundredths, in which 1 and 118 thousandths rounds to. And let's continue with 3 and 216 thousandths, and we can see that 216 is greater than 215, which lets us know that 3 and 216 thousandths rounds to 1 and 22 hundredths. And let's go on to 8 and 346 thousandths. And let's take a look at the part, again, that is behind the decimal point to the right of the decimal point, the 346. And we see that 346 is larger than 345, which lets us know that 8 and 346 thousandths rounds to 8 and 35 hundredths. All right, and so let's go on to our last number, 8 and 343 thousandths. And let's see if this number, the part of this number that is to the right of the decimal point, is larger than our number in the middle. And let's check it. 343, well, it's not larger than 345. So this number, 8 and 343 thousandths, will round to 8 and 34 hundredths. And there you have it. We have completed this video, and you can pause the video to take a look and do the problems over again if you like, or you may replay the video as many times you need to gain a deeper understanding of what it means to round a number to the nearest hundredths. This would be a good time to comment, share, like, and subscribe to Jackson's Math Notebook for more content. Thank you and goodbye.